Hello. This video explains how to create a PowerSchool parent account, which you will need to assist your student with online registration. Establishing this account will also allow you to track your student's attendance. Your student will receive a letter that looks like this along with his or her third quarter report card and current student information form. This letter contains important login credentials that you will need to create a parent account in PowerSchool. One important point to note before we begin is if you currently have or have ever had a parent account in PowerSchool, you will still need to go through this process to create a parent account that is linked to your LNC student. You will also need to use an email and username that has never been associated with a PowerSchool parent account before. First, go to lncpowerschool.com. That address will bring you here. Click Create Account, and again, enter your name, email, and then create a username and password. Remember, you cannot enter a username or password that has ever been associated to a PowerSchool account. Scroll down. You can here add your student or students using the information found in the middle portion of the letter. Be sure to use the information titled Your Confidential ID and Your Password. Do not use the student's ID and password found at the bottom part of the letter. This is your student's login information. You may enter more than one LNC child, but you will need to use the unique confidential ID and password found on each of your students' letter that came home with their report card. Once you create this account, you can download the PowerSchool app to your mobile device if you wish.